Hi there, it is Julie with Adventure with Charlie. How is everybody doing today? I just want to talk about today the new world of travel that we are about to enter into. I have over 30 years, possibly 40, 30 years, God, been that long, of travel experience. I've crossed the United States over 6 times. With a atlas and a baseball cap. No cell phone. But anyway, I digress. Travel has always been difficult. It's always been a challenge. It has never really been an easy lifestyle. And I think basically what I want to talk about right now is, why travelers kind of have to travel, to be honest. I travel a lot, and this has really put kind of a kibosh on it. And it's funny, like, I have friends from back home, they're like, oh, I wish I could do that. I could never do that. I go, oh, really? You want to sleep in your car or get stranded somewhere or something? Like Thoreau says, travel is glamorous in retrospect. I wouldn't say my type of travel is that glamorous of travel. And I think that that's an important thing when people are like, you got to stay at home. And yes, I am staying at home. Yes, I am. But you got to understand, for a traveler, we kind of have to be in motion. It's a psychological way of living for us. I mean, and so what's it going to look like at the end of this? Well, honestly, I've always been a little bit of a germphobe anyway. Truthfully. I mean, one of the reasons that I kind of wanted to live out of an RV, which we do, we have an RV as well. I do semi-nomadic. We've actually lived, since I bought the RV, in 5 states in 5 years. We like to live, work, settle, see the sights, see the things. And I actually think we're going to stay down in Florida for the remainder. We're going to actually make ourselves a home state, which is nice. It's actually nice, and it's nice because I'm here in my home state right now. So that is a wonderful thing. As I watch a lot of these videos of people who are out and about in the YouTube world traveling, whether they're van life or RV life, I am grateful to have a home state right now. So what's it gonna look like? I mean, what are we gonna be facing here? Well, I think it's gonna be a lot of, just cautious travel. I kind of evolved to that anyway. The last concert we went to a Chris Stapleton concert, I think in Atlanta, Georgia. It was so overcrowded, and it was so many people, and it was so jammed. I mean, it's probably just me getting old, but I don't like the crowds as much. And the last time we went to Dolly World. I bought an annual pass at Dolly World, and it was awesome. I love Dolly World. But every time I was on the round stuff and the roller coasters and stuff, I was getting nauseous. So my age has actually got me to sit back. Anyway, I love hokey tourist places. It's part of what I actually enjoy to do, but I love more nature. I'm actually more of a nature traveler. I love our national parks, and they're going to be available for everybody. So that's going to be, you're just going to have to kind of tweak it. I think families too, just spending time together. I mean, instead of maybe Disney World, going to a national park instead, or a state park. They are the most underrated things out there. So I think, moving forward, I think a lot of travel people have an absolute opportunity right now to showcase a new lifestyle, a new life of travel. Because all the rules are done. We are going forward now in a whole new world. So let me take you on this new world travel that we are in. In a month from now, we are still planning on moving back into our RV and experience a little semi-nomad down here in South Florida. My husband has a moving around job, so we're gonna take advantage of that and see some sights down here in Florida, and and stay safe and follow the guidelines, and and still live our semi-nomadic life, because it's not just it's not, how can I say, it's really a lifestyle. It's a mental lifestyle. The traveler is not wired right. We have to travel. I know it sounds insanity when you say, well, why can't you just stay put? But my lifestyle is rolling. I can't stay in this apartment. The lease is up. I have to move back into the thing that we are paying for right now. So there is a money aspect in it, because we've set up our life in that way. If it's not going to be possible, if it's not safe, then yeah, we will change it. But come along with me. I'm going to navigate this crazy travel world and see how we're going to move forward in the future with Adventure with Charlie, because we can do it safely. And we can do it following all regulations. I haven't been to the grocery store in 5 weeks because I am a traveler. I am a preparer. I am a packer. I'm a hiker and stuff like that. So I know how to do that. Meanwhile, I'm calling like my mother and stuff, and she's going every week. I'm like, you don't have to go every week. I'm so used to, packing in stuff that I'm used to it. So there are some advantages to being this rolling lifestyle. If it's too hot somewhere, you can move on. Hot meaning uncomfortable, unsafe, or something. So this lifestyle might appeal to a lot more people in the future, especially because we got hurricane season coming in right now with COVID here in South Florida. What a nightmare. So do you think I'm selling my RV? Are you out of your mind? We might have to get into that and live in it in the hills in Tennessee, where I know where to go. I think keeping a little bit of a mentality of rolling a little might be beneficial to some people. So it's kind of why I'm going to do this channel, and I'm going to keep going, whether people get some ideas or anything like that. I'm not a professional anything. This is just my journey in a traveling lifestyle. So, all right, I'll keep you posted. I'll let you know what's going on. I'm going to be going to local restaurants, real true local restaurants, from local chefs, and I'm going to be doing takeout and stuff. So I'm going to start doing that. I don't really want the Cisco restaurants. So if you know anybody in Fort Lauderdale who is open, local, and has a takeout thing going on, go ahead and put it in the comments, and I will be happy to go visit you. I think it's really important to help your local stores. Not so big on the corporations, guys. I don't really want any chains. I know they employ a lot of people, but I really want true local produce, local food, local restaurant. And that's what I'm gonna start exploring and going to see, and hopefully giving them great reviews. I will only put them on if I like them. I'm not about bashing anybody either. That's not my thing. But if you see them on my channel, you know I enjoyed it. Anyway, okay, everybody, have a great day. I will see you again very soon. And like I said, I'm planning a lot of trips in the future safely. All right, have a great day.